Hey, what's going on? Another day, another video. In this video, I'm going to go check out the progress of the 335i. It's in the body shop right now, almost ready for paint. Gonna go choose the color for it, which is a big thing. We're gonna be picking up Nora's E30, or his E90 that just got the quarter panel fixed, and we're gonna be doing a full paint job on that car itself. So if you wanna see that, make sure you check out his channel, and he'll probably have the videos up first. I'll also post them from a different perspective if you want to see that. I don't know, I'll be posting that too. And then at the end of this video, I'll be giving a couple hints what's coming in the next few videos. Some exciting stuff though, got a lot of content, so I hope you enjoy. He flips around.
Okay, is there any of our car? Oh, okay, well there's my baby out there. There's a huge puddle I don't want to go on.
There's so many.
We're gonna park right here, dude. We'll walk.
Coming to pick up his 325. Seeing if it looks like shit.
I love this shot. Bro, it looks so good.
Oh, this thing is.
Huh?
This thing.
Oh yeah, it's pretty ugly. Don't get me wrong.
No, it was.
But guys, I don't know if you remember, the gap here was so bad. Oh my god, dude, they are just dream workers. It is insane. Absolutely insane. Did they just break my car? Huh? Dang. Okay, well, was there something wrong on this side?
No, just sanded, prepped for paint.
Oh, you can definitely see the wheel.
Yeah, the wheel.
It's going inwards.
Yeah.
That's just probably a control arm or something. I don't think anything big.
I mean, I drove it here, so.
Yeah.
What is that, bro?
Yeah.
I found that.
The other one is like this.
Oh snap, but I like that purple.
I know.
Look at that, guys. Oh, that's rough. Oh, that's rough.
It's a hard choice.
I do think this purple will actually be noticeable in the picture.
I feel like that sparkle though. Damn. So I'm gonna go with the Long Beach red over the more metallic. I mean, they both look great, but I just really like the 3-stage and how this one would be more unique on a BMW.
But all you guys were asking, what's the store name? It's right there. Yeah, that's right. That's all I can give you. If you guys can figure out my location,
if you can find it,
go for it. I'm sure you guys can find it. It's in Sacramento. All right, that's already as specific as it gets.
yeah, he said if you need to find this place, then look at the name, it's right inside the building. But my car will be done on Friday doing Long Beach tint coats red. So it's a C7 color. So it's gonna look really nice. 3-stage paint. Really excited to see how it turns out, because after seeing this, I ignored that. This is getting fixed on Friday. But after seeing this, I really just had to do new paint.
Good news. Dang, bro, looking like a professional.
Bro, I wish I brought my camera.
Jesus Christ.
So I'm still getting used to this whole recording thing. Right now we're heading back to Nora's house. We just left the shop. I didn't get too much footage of my car, but I think I got enough. I got some decent shots of the paint. So now we'll go to Nora's house, and he stuck me in the E90. Well, he gets to drive the M3. I guess that's fair. Guests don't have special privilege, so see you back there. Pretty quiet. I think he did a 4-cylinder swap into it. Can't even hear it. I gotta hear my AC is louder than this car, so he's gonna have to work on that. So I might need to get an E90 daily. It's pretty smooth. car. I never owned a sedan, so this could be the first. I really like it. Sorry if it ended abruptly, but that's the end of this video. I do have a lot more content coming, like I said. The next video, I'm finally getting some Genesis Coupe content out there. Pretty big install on that. So if you want to see that, feel free to like, share, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a chassis mount wing. And I haven't seen any videos of it being installed on the Genesis Coupe. So I don't know, it may be the first, at least for the battle arrow. I know a lot of street faction, but this will be for battle arrow. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.